morning, everyone. My name is Balki. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a faith, fashion, and lifestyle YouTube blogger and vlogger, and you are welcome. Let's get the necklace acting right, okay? So, this is a video about things to take with you to Sierra Leone. When you're going to Sierra Leone. For me, who relocated, I had to take a lot of things with me. So I had to make a list, a whole list of things to take with me, 2 pages long, okay? So if you have like a pen and paper around you, I'm just gonna go through them real quick. The ones that are pertains to you, you can write them down, okay? So quickly, I'm just gonna run through the list, okay? All right. So for me, I had to take both of my passports. I had to take my diploma because maybe I want to look for a job or something. Yeah. I had to take my diploma degree, my university degree. I had to take my citizenship, my birth certificate, my ID card, my passport, my yellow card. I had to take my COVID test results. I had to take my bank account details. I had to take, of course, your flight tickets. I took the train to the airport, so train ticket had to be bought. Suitcases, I had to take, I bought some hair while going, so I had to take it with me. I had to take hair products, my coconut oil, Vaseline, Dugro oil, olive oil, all of that. I had to take some combs, scrunchies, scarves. I had to take my underlinens. I had to take my socks and my ties and my different types of shirts, like casual, church, business, light sweaters. I had to take some pants, some skirts, some jeans, some shorts, some jeggings, some dresses, some pants. I had to take some shoes, dress shoes, sneakers. I had to take Crocs. I had to take some flip-flops. For toiletries, I had to take my toothpaste, mouthwash, floss, deodorant, perfume, body spray, Vaseline, lotion, hand lotion, baby oil, wipes, pads. I had to take all of that. And then my body wash, my soap, my towel, face cloth, my shower cap, I had to take all of that. For my electronics, I had to take my Samsung, my Nokia tablet. I had to take my iPad case, my laptop, my Apple Watch, my headphones, my power bank. Here it is. The one I had to get it in Sierra Leone. So a little tip. Do not put your power bank in your suitcase, please, because they took mine out. This is not the one I originally got with me, but they took it out of my suitcase and I was very upset. So yeah, I had to buy this in Sierra Leone for like 100 and something thousand. But yeah, this was my power bank in Sierra Leone. So I had to take my camera stand, I had to take my ring lights, I had to take my sensor lights, which are the rechargeable lights. I had to take my international adapters. So this is it. So Sierra Leone uses the same adapter as the UK, which is the 3-prong. Yeah. I had to take my makeup, jewelries. I already talked about disinfecting hand wipes. I had to take my hand sanitizers, my mask. I had like the black, the blue mask, the fabric mask, all of them. And I got them from Amazon. It was like the 50 pieces in the packet. I think I got like 3 of those. Yeah, so I had a whole lot of masks. I had to take some blanket with me. I had to take like a duvet sets to put on my bed, of course. I had to take my towels, my closet sets. I had a little closet set thing where you can arrange your stuff. I had to take umbrella, and I took food with me, girl. I love Indomie noodles because in Sierra Leone, they have Indomie, but it's not the one I'm used to. So I'm like, so I took I think I took like 20 packs of Indomie with me. Yeah, it's really ghetto, but I had to take my favorite snacks with me. I took some plantain chips too. I had to take some gifts that, I was gonna give to some people. I had to take air fresheners. And then what else? I had to do some like miscellaneous things. Yeah. And then I had to take my, traveling expenses, yeah, finances, okay? So book your hotel. I know I'm going through this really fast because it's a lot, book your hotel, and maybe you have to stay overnight, and yeah, it depends on where you're going to stay before you get to Sierra Leone. So make sure that your travel arrangement of stay is sorted out. And then for me, I think I sent some money to Western Union so that I could have some money in Leones when I get there. I forgot, I'm not sure. And I had to pay ferry fare at Lunge, but I budgeted like $100 for that. I don't think it got up to that much, but on my list I budgeted $100. And then the money at hand, I had at least $350 with me at hand that I traveled with, yeah. And then flight tickets, I think I got my flight ticket for about 750, was it dollars or euros? Euros, yeah, 750 euros. Yeah, it was quite expensive. And then, yeah, so that's it. Just make sure you know where you're going to stay, of course. If it's a hotel or a maybe like a family house, just make sure everything is sorted out. So again, these are the top things you need to take: documents, personal items, electronics, other items, traveling. Make sure you have your traveling expenses and finances in order, and anything miscellaneous, okay? Because anything can happen, so have some money in your hand. I know the first time we went, the next day we went to the black market to change so we can have some Leones on hand and get stuff done, okay? All right, so these are basically, I know it went by fast, but just capture some things and write as fast as you can, okay? Okay, so yeah, so things to take. See, fan, get your sunglasses, your adapters, and sorry it looks like this, but this was my sunscreen. I didn't put it on the list, but sorry it looks like this, but this was my sunscreen. Yeah, some of them, it depends, they might melt, but just be careful of the ones. The Neutrogena one is really good. So yeah, okay, so that's enough for today. Have a great day. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.